G'day, Steve here. This is the MSHP 5. This is 5 feet long by 30 inches wide. They also come as an MSHP 4. That's 4 feet long by 30 inches wide. These are incredible because they cover the entire area of your body that you're laying on. So it covers the heels, it covers your shoulders, it covers the coccyx. They're incredible for reducing the pressure and stopping the skin from breaking down. Not only does it reduce the pressure, but like all of our products, as the fibres move with the skin tissue, it cuts down the shearing, so we don't end up with shearing related wounds as well. These are incredible for that, and that's why the Australian federal government brought these out, was to literally stop bed sores occurring for people going through surgery. These are able to withstand hot washing, tumble drying, and reuse them again and again and again. They are absolutely incredible. If you've got somebody or a loved one that is at risk of breaking down with bed sores, pressure sores, shearing related wounds, the MSHP 4 or the MSHP 5 is exactly what you need. Know you're going to love these. They're like sleeping on a cloud. Take care out there.